Hello again. We just arrived to the southernmost city in Argentina. Our next stop is Ushuaia. It's really beautiful. Take a look here. You can see a lot of boats. Very beautiful. There in the back you can also see there's still snow on the mountains, even though it's the end of summer here still. And here you can see a little bit of the city. Really beautiful town right in the mountains. Just 1,000 kilometers away from the Antarctica. Right now we are in the Fireland Ushuaia National Park. As you can hear, I'm a little bit sick unfortunately, but it's really nice. Some quite crazy trees are here, and also a lot of these, because there's a lot of wild horses in the area, which is quite interesting. But as you can see, very nice forest and beautiful lakes in the area. Today is day 2 in Ushuaia, Fireland in the south, and today we're gonna do a boat trip. Let's see how it goes. And today is our last day here in Ushuaia in Fireland, the very southernmost city of Argentina and also the world. Today the mission is to get up to a glacier, which you can already see a little bit from here, and yeah, let's see how it's like. It's a really nice path here, because just next to the path there's the glacier water running by, and it's actually drinkable. so you can just go ahead and have a drink from this very clear water here.